The part we'll be presenting now is actually an application from ICT, and we're going to be speaking about a punch. But this punch presents a quite complex geometry, and I get a feeling, Edward, that the accuracy of the machine has been pushed very close to his limits. Is that correct?
Yes, exactly. It's challenging, but also here we can really show the benefits of the CutX regarding speed. So let's have a look together. This workpiece is coming from a customer which is producing stamping tools for the ICT industry. To be able to define the diameter, it is necessary to know the smallest internal radius. In this case, we have an internal radius of 0.07, so we have to use a wire with a diameter 0.1. Due to the fact that the CutX has the possibility to handle two spools in combination with the twin wire technology, the open guide system and our well-known automatically wire changer, we are able to machine faster. We prepare the CutX now with both spools. On one side the 0.2 wire and on the other side the 0.1 wire. We will select the twin wire technology, and thanks to our automatic wire changer, we are able to do the main cut with the bigger diameter of wire, and this makes it possible to go a little bit faster than only by using the 0.1 wire. Later, the automatic wire changer will change the wire to a diameter of 0.1 and finalize the part with all the necessary details. The result is a faster machining, which allows us to produce more workpieces compared to a machine with only one spool.